Hey guys, I really hope everybody's having a wonderful day. If you're anything like me, you love Chipotle. I love Chipotle. I mean, I really haven't heard anybody who doesn't like Chipotle. Now, what if I told you can just make the Chipotle at home? What I like to get when I go to Chipotle is get the burrito bowls. So sometimes you get chicken, sometimes you get steak, sometimes you get both. You had all the mix-ins in there and it just comes out great, this gigantic bowl. Usually if you eat the whole thing, you're gonna be so full. So, good idea to maybe split it in half. However, why don't you just try to make it at home? Then you can measure everything out. Then you know exactly what you're putting in there and how many calories, how many macros are in it. Remember, macros are your proteins, fats, and carbs. But you'll know exactly how much is in it so you can better track it, especially if you're trying to get lean, if you're trying to watch what you eat, if you're trying to hit a certain protein target, if you're trying to hit a certain weight that you want to get. I highly recommend you track everything you can with an app called MyFitnessPal. I always recommend it. It's free. Be sure to download it. But let me show you what I use. This is so easy. I'm actually going to make everything in a microwave, and it's just going to be so easy. You're going to have a Chipotle chicken bowl, I guess you could say. So let me show you the ingredients. Very simple. Let me know in the comments if you've tried stuff like this. What do you add to your bowl, your Chipotle bowl? Or if you just like, hey, forget it, I'm going to Chipotle because that's just how it's going down. Not a problem with that either. I'm just trying to show you how to do it at home and make a quick and easy meal. So let me show you the ingredients. The number one main ingredient I'm gonna use, let me show you. If you have HEB in your area, make sure you get these, okay? This is the shredded chicken. It's already seasoned, it's already cooked. You throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes. It's done, okay? So if you can, find these at HEB. Now, if you don't have HEB, I've been to Target. They have these pre-made chickens already. They're already cooked. You just got to reheat them, okay? Kroger has them. I've seen them at Walmart. I've seen them everywhere. So you can find them, okay? If you can find them. If you don't want to go this route, oh, I don't like what they put in there. Have you seen the ingredients? Then just get you a chicken breast and cook it however you want to cook it. It doesn't take long to cook a chicken breast. You can add some lemon pepper. You can add, your own Chipotle sauce, whatever you want to do. So you can cook it. This is just easy, and I'm telling you, these are super tasty. So keep these in the fridge for a quick meal, quick lunch idea, quick dinner idea. Keep these on deck because, man, they just come out great. So I'm gonna throw this in the microwave for 2 minutes, okay? So it's gonna go in there for 2 minutes, and then, we're good to go. Let me show you the other ingredients we're gonna add to our Chipotle bowl. Now, these are optional. Whatever you wanna add to your bowl. If you don't like some of these, don't add them. But let me know some of the things that you do add. If there's something here that you don't like, then let me know. If there's something here that's missing that I should probably add to mine, let me know. I'll definitely check it out, okay? So let me show you the ingredients here. Okay, so very simple. All I have is some little bit of lettuce cut up. I have 1 serving of mozzarella cheese. 1 serving, okay? Make sure you measure this out. You don't wanna just, if you go there, they'll just dump a bunch of cheese on there. You don't know how much they're putting in there, okay? I have a serving of corn. If you don't like corn, don't put it in there, but just corn. And I have half a cup of black beans. That's the beans that I use right there. Nothing fancy, just good old black beans. Now, on the rice for the base, if you want to add rice in there, you can go with these. These are real simple. I highly recommend these. 90 seconds in the microwave. You get your, man, this rice tastes so good. Now, don't eat the whole bag, okay? Because look at that. You end up eating the whole bag. That's 400 calories right there just by the rice. So just do half the bag, all right? Save the other half for later. You don't have to eat the entire bag. Have some self-control, okay? Or here's an organic brown rice. If you're like, oh, I don't eat white rice, I only eat brown rice, bam, there you go, all right? Now, if you're going low carb, you can also do a rice cauliflower. That's if you're trying to knock some of the carbs down. Of course, you have the carbs in the beans. If you don't want to use black beans, if you're trying to go no carb at all, knock out the beans. The corn, you can probably knock those out too, but check out this rice cauliflower. It goes in the microwave. Same thing, very simple, okay? Or these are really good too. These little cups, if you want to keep these in stock, they only 1 minute in the microwave, okay? Here's a jasmine, all right? Whichever one you like to do. Pop these little jokers in the microwave for 1 minute. You see the little cup, okay? Pop those in the microwave, 1 minute. Very simple. All these go in the microwave, whichever one you want to use, doesn't matter. The sauces that you're going to put on there, okay? Whichever one you want to use. I like this one. This one's really good. Okay, I put this on a lot of my food. Obviously, look at that. See, I use it all the time. Taco Bell sauce. You cannot go wrong with this fire sauce. I've used it on my other videos. I'm telling you, if you can get your hands on this, this tastes great on everything. This right here, if you want a little green sauce on there, just get you some of this. It tastes so good. Just measure out a little bit, put it on there. These I've found as well. These are pretty good too. Okay, Lola's hot sauce, these are pretty good too. All right, here's a ghost pepper one. So it just matters how hot you want it, how much flavor you want. So add whichever one you want. And then of course, oh, over here, we're gonna have our avocado. Now you can make fresh avocado. This is just the easy version. Now, you need to make sure you measure this, okay? At Chipotle, I doubt they're scooping with this. This is 1 tablespoon. 1 serving of this is 2 tablespoons, okay? So make sure, you know, at Chipotle, they're probably using a big old spoon, whoosh, bam, putting it on there. And yeah, oh, I'm getting my healthy fats, but yeah, you're getting a ton of fats on there. All right, you might not wanna get that much. So make sure you measure it out. I'm just going with the easy option because I'm short on time. So yeah, guys, that's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna heat everything up real quick. And then you just basically just mix it all in however you want to. The cool thing about this is that you can keep it at home in your fridge. When you get home, if you're like, man, we need to make a quick dinner, I need an idea, just keep all this in stock. It's very simple. This corn right here is just frozen corn. Keep it in the freezer, okay? And then of course, the beans, they come in a can. It's nothing special, all right? Shred your cheese, those rice, they stay in the pantry. You just heat them up in the microwave. I mean, it can't be any easier, all right? So just keep all this stuff in stock so that whenever you're thinking of ideas or you're wondering, man, what am I gonna eat tonight? What am I gonna have for lunch? What am I gonna have for dinner? What are we gonna have for you have it ready, okay? You have to stay ready. I just can't say that enough. You have to stay ready, especially if you're serious about making changes, all right? Because if not, what's gonna happen is you're gonna end up stopping somewhere on the way home, or you're gonna end up saying, well, you know, it's easier if I just buy this or pick this up and just eat like this. And then you're just right back to where you were, okay? So I'm just here to help you out. So let me make up this bowl real quick. Let me go heat everything up. It's gonna be real quick, be right back. All right, guys, everything's ready. I heated everything up in the microwave. Here's the chicken. That's that one chicken that I recommended from HEB. Throw it in the microwave for, I think it was 2 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, that's it. It's already seasoned, it's already cooked, ready to go. All you need to do is make your bowl with it now. And everything else here is just heated up. So I heated up the black beans, the corn, and whichever rice you want to go with. If you want to go, whatever kind of rice you want to go with. If you don't want to go with rice, you want to go to cauliflower rice, go ahead and do that. Whichever one you want to go with, any of them, they heat up in the microwave. It's so simple. All right, so we're just gonna dump the rice in there. Put the rice as your base. And you're gonna go ahead and just add the chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use half of the package. So we're just gonna put that on there. Now, if you want to use the whole thing, you can. It's on you. Make sure you track it. All right. So I'm just gonna use half right now. And what you can do with the other part of that rice bag you had, you can just make this again for dinner or tomorrow's lunch, however you want to do it. All right. Just save half for tomorrow. Now I'm gonna add go ahead and add this corn on there. I'm gonna go ahead and add the black beans. Hey, look at that. Add your little of the lettuce on top. And then we're coming in with the 1 serving of cheese. All right, look at that. Put that there. And I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of avocado. So make sure you measure it out. All right, 2 tablespoons. It's 1. Just put 1 on each side. Measure out the other one. Remember, you gotta measure it because you won't know. And there you have it, guys. Look at that. Now tell me something. Doesn't that look good? Look at that. That is a chicken Chipotle bowl at home, all right? And you know exactly what this has in it. This is coming in around 44 grams of protein. It matters on the carbs. If you want to use rice, the carbs are going to be higher. If you want to, you know, black beans, if you want to not use the black beans, carbs will be lower. I mean, so however you want to, I'm gonna let you go ahead and do the carbs on your own. but 44 grams of protein and around 20 to 21 grams of fat right here, okay? Just to let you know, that's from the cheese, the avocado, the fats that are in the chicken. I made this in minutes. It is so good, so it smells great. I'm telling you, this is all you need. This is a big lunch right here. So like I said, what you can do is just have this now and then save the other half for tomorrow or save it for dinner. Or if you have somebody else with you that wants to get down with the bowl, then here it is right here. I'm telling you, you make this at home, you will be surprised how good it tastes. It fills you up. You know exactly what you put in it and you can track everything. So it's perfect for you, okay? So definitely go check this out. Try out this recipe. You can use any chicken you want, whatever chicken you find. Just try to make sure you check the ingredients. Look what's in the chicken. Pick one that's the healthiest possible. And of course, that's gonna taste good, whatever flavors you like. So you don't have to go out and get it, just make it at home. I like sharing these videos with you because this is what I do at the house. It tastes great and it keeps you, on track. So definitely try this out. Let me know in the comments if you tried this out, what else you would add to this, and I'll definitely take those ideas and I'm gonna go eat this real quick. And man, I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed with this. I mean, just look at that. Look at how good that looks. I mean, you got the avocado, you got your cheese, you got your beans, you got your corn, you got your rice, you got your chicken. Boom, you're ready to go. Let's go. I'll talk to y'all next time. Have a great day.